Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. With the Flywing H1 system, because we're in a Heli radio setup, there's not much option to change much as far as the pitch curve is concerned. And if we go to, let's go to my curves here quickly. So the reason you would want a curve is if you're flying in 6G mode, so this only applies to 6G and 3D, you'll find that with your maximum pitch settings of between 13 and 14 positive, your hover position is quite an uncomfortable 65 to 70% of throttle. So that doesn't leave you much in the room of collective. So how do we fix that? Well, we create a curve. So let's just go into this curve quickly. So I've got a 5-point curve here. So the first point is minus 100. Second point is minus 50. So that is the same as before. The third point, we're going to shift up by, let's start with 20. So you can make this, you'll see then as you move it up. So what does this actually do? I'll show you now. Then point 4, you're going to just try and get this line to be somewhat linear. Yeah, you don't want that. So just get that somewhat linear there, about 60. And then 0.5 will be 100 again. So you've got full pitch. But what have we actually done? Well, let's get out of here. I'm sorry I don't have a big color TV screen here to show you. I have to just use what I have. So let's assume we have 0 collective here. Yeah. Now with that curve enabled,
shift,
you'll see that the pitch has now moved up. Okay.
normal, shift.
And what does that allow us to do is it allows us to bring this collective down more, to give more pitch authority. So as opposed to having
Normal,
let's say 6 degrees hover here, you will now have it here. Okay, which is much more comfortable for flying, because if you're flying here at 70% and you want to pump it, there's really not much movement left here. However, unfortunately,
shift, normal,
the H1 won't arm if you're in your mixes page. Let's go here, and you've got anything underneath here. So you can't add a line here and apply a curve. The H1 just won't arm. It's looking for a very clean signal. Otherwise, it detects that there's something going on here and it won't arm. So how do we fix that? Well, let's go back here. We're going to create 2 flight modes. So we're going to create 0, which is basically nothing. There's nothing going on there whatsoever. Nothing changes. Okay, it's all just standard. And we're going to create another flight mode with the only thing that's happening is that you're going to assign the switch to it, that you want to activate this flight mode. So I've chosen this one at the back here. Yeah.
shift, normal,
So I've just also put some audio to it. But I'm sure that this switch you can actually assign in the next step. But I've just assigned it there. It makes no difference, I don't think. But just check it. So now we've got 2 flight modes. So we've got flight mode 0, which is the radio is completely standard in the sense that nothing is activated here. And then we have a flight mode 2, where we can now apply this curve. So what happens? Let's go into, now we can go into the mixes page, yeah? And on your first collective channel, so mine is on channel 1 here. Let's just edit that. we're going to leave, let's just have a look if I've done anything here. Yes, the only thing I've done is I've assigned that mode 0 to the switch up position. Yeah, so if I
Shift.
see, that's now not bold,
Normal.
and now it's bold. So in when my switch is up, or your two-way switch is down, forward, wherever you want it, you're going to apply mode 0, but you have to deactivate all the other modes. So under normal circumstances, let's just go to another channel here. All the modes are active, you see, so that it's active all the time, all the modes, but we don't want that. We only want the one mode to be active. So let's go back here. So this is your very initial line, eh? You see there it's flashing 0. So you've got to deactivate all the other modes here. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2, you're going to add a new line underneath. Okay, we're going to edit that, and everything stays the same, except for now under curve we can select this curve here that I've created. I've called it col for collective. Yes, and I've activated mode 1 here. Remember, the flight modes 0 was nothing, and mode 1, the whole radio takes over to apply whatever you've changed in mode 1. So this is different to adding a curve directly underneath, because the radio actually almost physically changes state. However, so now what we do, so that you've got all that going, so let's just go back to the curves quickly. We can have a quick look at that. So you can change this point later. So there's my col curve. So if you find you're still hovering quite high, you can just increase that 0.3 a little bit higher. Don't go mad, just a little bit, just so you can bring this down to a more comfortable position. So now let's just go out into the channel monitor. I'm going to switch this, I'm going to leave this at 0. Okay, there we go, 0. Now when I press this button,
Shift.
you can see that it applies the curve, yeah? In my case, plus 20. So that will now, basically positive pitch at 0, which means that your hover pitch of, let's say, 6 is now lower down. Okay. Now to arm the heli,
Normal.
you have to be in flight mode 0, which we assigned, remember, on the very first line of the mix page. Here, on this very first page there, 0, okay. Switch up.
Shift.
You can see there it switches.
Normal.
Okay, so now let's just go out of here. So now we launch. 1, 2, 3. Run.
Armed.
Okay, we arm it. And now once it's running,
Shift.
now you can hit that shift button. So now your 0 pitch will be slightly lower than it was before. Yeah, but your hover pitch will also be slightly lower. Okay, at any moment, of course, in flight, you can switch that off.
Normal.
But don't forget that your pitch will drop. Okay, but that's how we can assign a pitch curve without this the H1 processor getting confused, because it needs it needs a completely linear minus 100 plus 100 output on this collective channel. All right, which happens to be channel 1. Okay, well, I hope that helps, because I was flying my Flywings in 6G mode, and I was always hovering over here, and it's just, there's got plenty of authority, that's not the problem, but it's not very comfortable. So now we can just lower that slightly. Don't forget, of course.
Shift.
Okay, you've still got plus 100, minus 100, so all that changes because this is now applying the curve here. Eh? Okay, so we've got at 0.3 of the curve, we've increased it to plus 20. Yeah. Let's go there quickly. Curves. Okay, so there's my curves. So that's, you've still got full range, except for the middle point is up slightly, the pitch value, but the physical position now to hover will be slightly lower. So I hope that helps. And yeah, thanks for watching.